Today for the YouTube we're going to do a little unboxing. Currently started driving for Lyft, and I'm thinking this is my Lyft light that I ordered. So let's see what it looks like. So there's what it looks like. So my first impression is that the cord is not as long as it shows in the picture. So far that's what I got. And it is USB, so I can plug it in and show you guys how it lights up. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I got it hooked up to my PlayStation, the USB. Got this on-off button here. Click it. Oh wow, that's bright. I'll go ahead and show you guys how bright this is. Check it out. And the camera even glares, it's so bright. Pretty cool though. So that's what we got. It's pretty bright. It's gonna be pretty easy to see even in the daylight during the sun, I would believe. But you got these two suction cups that go on your windshield. USB to plug in your cigarette lighter, adapter, USB adapter, however you got it. A single click button. Turn it on and off. Pretty simple. Should be able to have the riders be able to see my car a lot easier.